I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I like to stand out. So most people nowadays have these LED front cap lights on your RV. Let's take it a step further. Let's take a look at that 7-way again. And if you look at it, this position here, which is the top, you can tell by this ridge, that right there is your auxiliary 12 volt, so it's hooked to your battery. Ground is opposite of it. And this guy next to it right here is your tail lights, or parking lights as some people refer to it as. So a cool little tip, little trick you can do at the campground to light up your RV is to take a 10 amp fuse. Let's see if I can do this with one hand here, and cross your auxiliary and your tail lights, and you can add a little flare. You can get those LEDs on the top, you can get those LEDs on the side, and of course on the back. Everyone will be lit up. One really cool feature, if you check this out, it powers your camera as well. So you can take your monitor out of your truck, bring it inside the RV, and you have a rear view security cam. Plus you look cool at the campground. If you like this quick tip, light up your RV, please like and subscribe for more great RV tips and tricks, how-tos, and repair tutorials. Until next time, you all take care.